How to go live on TikTok. If any day you are a TikTok user and you would like to go live on your very TikTok account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search TikTok out there, or manually find the TikTok application by scrolling left or right. After you find the very TikTok application, you have to tap on that. Now, after you tap on the TikTok application, you can see that TikTok will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, in order to go live on TikTok, what you have to do is you have to go to the plus icon on the downside, proceed to the plus icon on the downside. Now you can see at the next interface like this, and you also need to make sure that you have about 1000 subscribers on your very TikTok or the very 1000 followers on your TikTok, because if you do not have it, you cannot go live on TikTok. For example, I did not have it, therefore I did not have the option of going live on TikTok. Therefore, you have to make sure that you have 1000 followers on TikTok, and if you have 1000 followers on TikTok, you can go live on TikTok. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.